Okay, here's Lenny signing in people for the walk in the woods.
There's another lead around. That's the last one. Yeah. Yeah, but not around here.
Okay.
Okay, here's our announcement.
All right, Dad.
We had one on May 31, which was attended by 58 walkers. We had an excellent day, an excellent time, and such a good time for everybody that the executive committee decided we should do it again in the fall. So that's what we're doing now. Welcome to you all. Hope you have a great time. Chuck Marsee is going to lead you, leaving pretty soon as everybody's here. And when you come back, we'll meet inside to eat lunch. I noticed not too many of you brought lunches. Right? You all brought a lunch. Why didn't more people bring a lunch? Did you know about it? Ah, very good. You have a friend. Really, why? I'm interested in why.
Honestly, I didn't have time to make it this morning, but I had to do a yard sale.
I'm pushing on this because it seems like everybody brought something to me. So I wonder if there's something different about today. That you didn't notice the lunch invitation, or you just didn't want to do it? Somebody speak up?
I had a big breakfast.
We just figured we'd hang out a little bit afterwards, have a cup of coffee, something, and go back and have lunch.
Yeah, I didn't have time to make it.
Okay, still don't get it, but that's all right.
Get started. We want to go down this road and go in the back way. Well, normally I would go the other way if I was walking by myself, but this way all of the steep climbs are uphill, and it's a lot safer, I think, if you're going down something steep, if you're going up it as opposed to going down it. So we'll go that way. There's a couple of places, especially right at this close to the start, where it's the only place that's really steep. So we might want to help each other up that particular part. That's the only steep part. And then there's one drainage area where there's a culvert, and if we could help some of the people, it's about 3 feet slanted down. Help people on that area.
And here we are walking down some of the trail here that you can see, beautifully shaded. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And here they come. Okay.
Are you documenting this?
Yes, I am.
Good.
How are you enjoying the walk?
Wonderful.
Are you enjoying the walk
Have a great time.
so far?
Good exercise.
Good. And what have you got there, a GPS?
Yes.
I know, but
I'd rather gamble that
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Are you enjoying the walk? How come he's not walking?
He's too lazy. Tired and lazy.
what you want to get.
This is called white pine.
Hi, good to
Now
see
we're
you.
in an area that has 5 needles in a bundle, and the limbs come off in a whirl. When the first settlers came to the United States, here in the east of here,
You're still going
New
bicycling?
York and Pennsylvania, this was one of the main two trees. The white pine, it along with the hemlock. Haven't seen any hemlock around here. Northern here, see this.
And she's asleep on the trail.
Yeah.
She slept through the whole thing.
Right. No, she was awake the whole time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
I was taking video, so you walked out. Okay. Counting heads to make sure everybody made it back from the hike. Okay.
Other batch.
All right, here we are at the end. Okay, and these are the ones that made it back. We only lost a dozen, right?
Some people peeled off.
No, don't tell them
say
that.
that.
Don't say that.
I have a pork.
Really appreciate it.
Man,
Thank you
what
for
are
that
you?
tonight.
Okay, here are the refreshments. Okay.